the Bombardier Learjet 75. This jet is $10 million. It is commonly used for VIP and business travel by executives and high-profile passengers. This jet has a range of about 3,900 kilometers and a typical seating capacity of 6 to 8 passengers. It can reach speeds of around 860 kilometers per hour, making it a fast and efficient option for short to medium distance private flights. The seats can fully recline into a bed position. Each seat includes a personal screen or tablet system. Inside the cabin, there are luxury leather seats arranged in a club seating layout. And passengers are offered food and beverage service during the flight. The Mercedes Maybach S580, $210,000, is an ultra-luxury full-size sedan valued at approximately. It is one of Mercedes-Benz's most prestigious models. Designed with a strong focus on comfort and elegance. This car is powered by a 4.0 LV8, the turbo engine producing around 496 horsepower. Accelerating from 200 km per hour for 0.8 zones. It is engineered more for comfort and silence than aggressive performance. The interior is fully designed as a VIP rear seat luxury experience. The back seats include fully reclining first-class style seats, massage, heating, and cooling functions. Large multimedia entertainment screens, premium leather and wood trim finishes. The cabin also features advanced sound insulation, ambient lighting, and a high-end climate control system for maximum comfort. It is mainly used by business executives, passengers, and chauffeur of luxury use. Focusing on maximum comfort, silence, and prestige.